Hello, welcome back and let's learn about action verbs in English. Tom is running, Jude is singing. Mary is dancing, Susie is cooking. Kim is jumping, Paulina is skipping. Molly is hopping, Killian is walking. Awil is sliding, Jacob is climbing. David is swinging, Duke is eating. Jaden is drinking, Lily is washing. Anna is stretching, Melody is sleeping. Kamau is talking, Matthew is listening. John is reading, Peter is writing. Wanjiru is painting, Raymond is kicking. Baraka is praying, Jabali is sitting. Azaria is laughing, Dylan is working. Jane is cleaning, Adia is swimming. Noah is crying, Lucy is laying. Theo is bending, Lucas is driving. Elijah is pushing, Mark is pulling. Zawadi is throwing, Neema is catching. Liam is flying, Owen is hiding. Daniel is looking, William is pointing. Harry is cutting, Jakes is pouring. Rukia is sewing, Amina is drawing. Charlotte is planting, Andrew is digging. Rehema is riding, Akida is mopping. Chacha is bathing, Emma is packing. Wamboi is shopping, Mora is selling. Judy is charging, Oliver is brushing. Amanda is wiping, Obama is building. Michelle is skating, Madea is baking. Abdul is kneeling, Saka is jumping. Makori is clapping, Wangari is hugging. Munene is sneezing, Muthoni is picking. Taji is watching, Naiku is biting. Omwami is closing, Asante is opening. Apio is peeling, Makena is licking. Akinyi is slapping, Kimani is coughing. Sokoro is yawning, Denzel is frowning. Solomon is punching. Luna is pinching. The dog is chasing. Sophia is smiling. Isabella is knitting. Mia is combing. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more educational video like this one. Thank you.